It's been about 3 months since I graduated from Top Tech. I was a referral and relocation manager for a real estate company. Basically, I was in the office 9 to 5, check my emails, go through the normal rigmarole of, the 3-4 hour meetings here and there. The in and out, doing the same thing every day, it kind of just took a toll on me in a sense. So I was looking for something that was going to give me more opportunity to kind of just be myself in a sense and be able to chat with people too. I honestly had no idea what to expect. It was a little bit different than what I was used to. So I knew that I was going to learn a lot very quickly. It's not the same thing every day. You get a variety of things. You meet so many people. You get to, from knowing nothing when it came to not even owning a tool, right? From not owning a tool to being able to fix the system like that. That skill has been invaluable. The big thing on this is, one, aside from the technical work, we are talking to people. Man, people don't want to deal with some of the worst issues that they're dealing with a robot, right? Putting a face on it and actually being able to connect and show empathy to people. That's the difference that you make instead of just solving a problem, right? That's what AI does. It just solves a problem, but that human connection, you're always going to have that when it comes to this industry. So, it's going to be a long time till they can make a robot do what I do. Hopefully, that's the goal in there. I've learned a lot. You're going to learn a lot. You see a lot of people and you deal with a lot of new things. So, lots of fun everywhere.